GM everyone, and today counts as the 28th of January 2026, and today is Wednesday. So I'm here by UL Academy, the market warrior, to share the trade of the day. And a lot of things have been happening. I've been trading, but to make the video actually is kind of very hard to me. So, but actually, I'll try as much as possible because today I can see more volume and more players are getting into it. So maybe we could end this week as very bullish week or whatsoever. So let's start our analysis with the daily time frame. And as you can see on my, like this week Sunday, CME give us a very fucking huge gap, but that's not our main concentration. Our concentration has to be with like what's going to happen next. So actually, as you can see, guys, we're taking daily like daily trade. We don't trade like let's say beyond or after the what like our trade is mainly for 1 day. It's valid for 1 day. Apart from that, you are on your own. So actually, like the market is creating something very incredible, and here from here we see some sign of rejection. That means the market is trying to create three white soldiers. So what does that mean? Like we're gonna be in a very very nice move because that's what this market is trying to create. But based on is my prediction, nothing much, nothing less. But based on how the market is showing, like this trend, we have like at least $12 billion, like let's say volume today. It suddenly increased. Yesterday was 11 billion, but today was 12.5. So as you can see, more players are willing to play, and like they will be kind of very let's say high demand due to we have a lot of CME gap at the previous level 91k. It's some like there is a lot of CME gap, so I think that gap would be filled within this week or maybe next week, who knows. So actually, as you can see, the reversal start from here, and we have the first green candle and the second green candle, the second white candle, then this black candle is forming. So this black candle is forming, that doesn't mean we are going to reverse. But let's dive into our today's video so that we could find our perfect entry. So let's mark yesterday open and today's open. This marks our yesterday open, and oh my god, yep, it's 8k level is our yesterday open, and let me just be using magnets, and 89k level was our today's open. And don't mind, CME like chart is not that normal, but I usually used to use CME broker, so I don't have any choice than rather than trading with it. I'll make my analysis here sometime and confirm it within here, but that's not what you guys should be worried about. So let's make the analysis and then I will show you the entries here there. So actually we have already got what you want from our daily time frame. Got our yesterday opens, today opens, what like we just check the candles. So we're not guessing here, we are just like checking things out of practice. So actually in 4 hours time frame, as you can see guys, the market is kind of very nice due to there is still a little gap here, and the gap is yet to be filled. Are you getting me? Because if the gap is gonna be filled, the market has to like let's say I'm coming, where is my brush? I think here is it. The market has to like, oh my god, the market has to do something very nice in order for the gap to be closed, but now it's not yet to be like let's say anywhere to be found. Let me just remove this magnet, it's giving me a lot of headache. So the market has to do with like let's say move up, sorry, still wrong. The market has to like pump a little bit and like pump again, then it's suddenly moved down. That means this gap has been cleared. But what the market is trying to say that I'm not yet be filled, and I will be filled by God willing. So let's not rush things. And you see, like the market create another gap in between here, in between this level. Actually, I will delete all these gap stuffs. As you can see, it created a new gap, showing you that like I'm going to the test and later on keep moving up. So who knows? Maybe based on prediction. So actually, based on 4 hour time frame is like, let's say the market is fractal. So let's just move after all and say what happens at the beginning of this pump when the market start pumping from here. Like let's say here, the market pumps and suddenly, like let's say, go all the way down, trying to catch this level. The market is trying to catch this level or so ever. As you can see, the market is trying to catch this level. I don't know how this CME work, but after I'm done, I will show you everything. Main point actually here is like, so let's just use the CME actually, because I use the CME for basics use, but I think it's time I should return to my normal chart actually, because I can't afford the CME anymore. Hope my drawing, oh my god. Alright, we'll redraw it together again. Anyways, so guys, the market is fractal, and we're on our, like let's say, 4 hour chart. So what's happening here is very very nice, and since after this rejection, this present rejection, the market keeps forming, like let's say, bullish sign. The market is trying to, like let's say, overreact. So the market will retest for this level in order to fill this level with impulse move. So the market has to, like let's say, go all the way down so that it should fool the dumb traders thinking that the market is selling or whatsoever. So they will get into trap. So actually we have, like let's say, up to now we did not have market structure break whatsoever, but the market is, like let's say, generating highs and low. That's the first sign of we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend because the levels are very high and whatsoever. BTC stuff slash fast impulse. So that means we're in a very nice position. And as you can see, let's say the rejection start from this 1, 2, 3 candles, three white soldiers, sign of an uptrend, and then the market later on, like let's say, reclaim this level here, right? And then another three, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 white soldier, and then the market reclaims this level again. That shows you that the market is trying to go up, and the dump money will cry who are selling it. They saw this and they think it's selling pressure. They will definitely cry. And what exactly will happen? Do you think it will happen again? The market is very fucking fractal. So what is going to happen next? What and like I would like the market to do again in its next move is, let me just say, you see, as you can see, this 1, 2, 3 white soldiers again, and then I will anticipate the price should be, let's say, back around this level. As you can see, back around this level, so that I should grab my entry or whatsoever. And I'll just say I'm okay, since like that's what the market has been doing repeatedly. So I would, like let's say, start thinking of that's my main level, and for sure that's my level, because I'm going long on BTC, no mercy. And I will leave this level. Then I deleted the other level because I don't need the other level anymore. This is what I need. So actually then I'll just zoom in, zoom out. As you can see, we have a lot of FVG. and this is a very tiny and little of FVG, but it's not that big much. This is kind of, let me delete this. I don't know why I draw it there. This is this is kind of FVG. Let me not forget. And there is another one upward or whatsoever. So let me just mark the necessary areas. We have two FVG at the same place, in the same place, FVG. So as you can see, we have two FVG, and the market is not yet to feel like we are not yet with the FVG for now. So what I will be expecting here is that is either the market should, like, let's say, pump a little bit to here, grab this liquidity, and then all the way down is either the market show the rejection to the upside or it keep moving down. And whether either like one to here, then the market will all the way up. I don't know whether you guys are understanding me, all the way up. So that's what I would be expecting. But based on, like, let's say I've seen the volume or whatsoever, I'm just trying to guess my trade of the day and move on with my fucking profit away. So actually I'll just say um this move is what I will anticipate. But if the market change its reaction, it moves up here. So then I will say I will come back with the market through here again before we keep moving. Because I don't used to play with opportunity. Actually, opportunity comes once and that's for all. Or maybe let me just delete this. Or maybe the market will just move up to this level, then it shows some rejection all the way down. So anything can happen actually. So we our main target is to, like, let's say, just predict our own movement. Let's just predict our own way. Let's make sure that it's not about we, right, we have been right or whatsoever. So let's just predict our own movement and have our daily breed. So actually I've already marked the levels I'm interested in. I'll just say it now. Oh my god, sorry. I'll just say I'll just say now. What I'll be expecting here is, like, I give this move more effort than ever. I'll just say I'll just keep it here, keep my entry within there. Then I will say my TP has to be, I'm interested around this area because I don't want to hold the trade any longer. So tomorrow I will shoot up and make some video for you guys, and then I will say my SL should be, yep, at right below this level. What the fuck is happening? And my stop loss should be right. My entry here and my stop loss is right below that level. As you can see, everything is super interesting. Then let me just, after confirming it for just more confirmation, let me just check my 5 15-minute chart. As you can see, 15-minute chart is super impressive because the market, I know, based on like 15 minutes, the market will just do like this, just like this, then come to my entry and move up. That's what I will be expecting actually. So I can say I will, like, let's say, use this opportunity to hold up a trade. So let me say from this level, let me just grab this level. I'll just say I'll wait for the market to hit this level, then I'll put my entry here, then I'll say my TP should be within this area, then SL should be above here, above this little place, little tiny move. Then my stop loss should be above here and whatsoever. As you can see, the market is giving me a very well nice risk to reward ratio. Actually, 1:2. Like, what decrease if I would risk $1, I would gain at least $10 or $11 in this trade, and that's very super impressive. You know how BTC has volatile or whatsoever, but I don't give it a fuck. I trade it as if we are joking here. And that's what I'll be anticipating, and that's what I'll be expecting to happen based on my clear. Maybe I'll hit SL, maybe I'll hit TP, anyone's. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice, like, let me say, let me just say, you guys should have a nice day.